Hello everyone, good evening. My name is Honey. As usual, I come here back again to give you the information for what is going on again in Italy. And we see how this pandemic is really causing a lot of confusion everywhere. That's why I told you guys, please continue reading on communications, continue informing yourself, and continue giving yourself awareness of what is going on. Because I just want the new Africa in Europeans will be different of the Africans of yesterday because of no lack of awareness. A lot of us does not really plan our life, and we not find that of different way or the other we fall victims, and this thing continue just like the Africa continent every day. We are seeing message that is not encouraging, and this thing is getting another level. We all know in Italy, we know this man who hates the black communities. He hates all blacks, all people that is coming from blacks community. And this man is trying to make sure that all black community become useless, wayward, and incapable of entering into the society. The same person campaign that black people or people are not entry into they are not integrated into the community, they are not entering into the community. The same his own politics is using to obstruct the same people he is campaigning, they are not into the community. In one way or other, he try to bring them down to the level they can never grow. What is called disorganized, dishuman, disintegrated, at the same time crying of integration. I know we are living in democracy. Italians are very good in democracy. But at the same time, we are the black that is paying the consequence. Like I said in my last video, every black is the one that pay the consequence of every evil others do. We are seeing it everywhere. We are seeing the problem every day in our life. Those that is working in the factory, those that is not working, in one thing or the other, those that is doing this old job, those that is begging in the streets. These are one of the things they want us to remain there so that they can continue politicalizing this story. Let me show you one video. Another thing I want to tell you, if you this video I'm going to show you is not because we are going to hate these people. These are our brothers and sisters. This is what they want to use again, because they have tried on means to make sure they bring us to the level. And most of those people who are still a little bit love the black, who are fighting for what they call this liberty of speech, liberty, freedoms, what they call it, the parties of communication, parties of commune, that is all different entity of coming together, being a one in a community. Those people that is fighting against it, we thank God they are still existing. And those ones are not telling us what is really going on. They show us on some videos, some terrible things we see, we don't even know. Now I can remember what America was talking about when the Martin Luther King was addressing the society of America those days, and the same people is the one that killed him. Any anything that happened to a black, they use the black against the black. It has started even now in Italy. We just keep our quiet, don't see anything. It has started. Beware. It beware the beginning. They said the downfall of a man starts from his own home. It has started. They want to use each other to fight each other now. If you continue like this, like Meme said, this one, Miss Joy's sister, have called even the communities, and they have explained to me that it's not even a sister. This girl, it has condemned himself, and this boy too. So I want to show you the video. If you have not seen the video, I will show you the name. Then you can go direct to the tube or the canal, the channel. So you can go there and see the video yourself. So let me say you. So let me show you exactly what she's saying. What she says in Italy, I will explain to you in English. I'm not going to play all the whole video. I'm going to explain to you because if I play all the whole video, I won't be having a lot of my own data again. So see.
Senegalesi, vivo in Italia da 13 anni, sposato come un italiano da 13 anni, abbiamo 3 figli italiani. Io volevo dire un paio di cose al ministro Bellanova, perché ho sentito che lei vuole dare clandestini a permesso di soggiorno. Ma secondo me il ministro non è giusto, perché non è il momento di dare permesso di soggiorno a clandestini. Pensa ai italiani che non ce la fanno, ai immigrati regolari, che da tanti anni che sono qui che non ce la fanno. Io lavoro come cuoco, da 13 anni che verso le contributi e tutto, pago le tasse e tutto. Io ho fatto la domanda di cittadinanza, perché avendo 3 figli italiani, penso che è giusto che di avere la cittadinanza.
Okay, I stop here because I cannot just bring every of her story. She's saying she's married to Italian, she has 3 children, which are their Italian. That is not, it's not good. That is not for her. It's not okay. It's not appropriate. Is a thing that is not supposed, that they are not going to regulate the immigrants. That for her is absolute wrong of giving a regulation to immigrant, giving document to immigrants here. For her is not okay because she has married to an Italian, they have 3 baby, is looking for Italian passport which they have not given to her. She have a job which she have 2 months, the job is not okay for her because of this problem she is facing. That and the Italians people are giving the black people 35 euro to stay at home. They are giving people 600 euro to stay at home. That is not good. That immigrants are the one killing the Italian people. This is what she's saying. Please let me show you her name again. You go to website and see yourself and listen to her. Let me show you all her names so you can see her very well. Let me put her name back here. So you have seen her name. When you bring this name out, you can see her story. Or you go to Permesso di Soggiorno Worldwide. You will see her story and see the comments who has made them. Because so he is saying that he is a Senegal lady. They are not supposed to give to any of foreigners any document. That's what she's saying. That's to tell you how wicked human being can to use your own nationality against you. This is how we black, we sell each other. Let me show you the second one. With the one, it comes out in Rightray, which is Rightray. That one, they brought it out at Rightray in television. The same Senegal born here. He's talking about the same story. He's engaged giving document to their own nationality as immigrants. Anybody who is an immigrant that is not good, they should give. Exactly what Salvini and Meloni is talking about. That is what he himself is talking about. You can look at the face of the lady who is intervisting him, how he's looking at him. Please, you go to the same website, you will see the story there. Let me show you.
Il suo discorso. Questa è una repubblica fondata sul lavoro, inizia così la nostra Costituzione. E negli anni in cui in Italia c'era un'economia fertile, l'Italia ha sempre accolto, e credo che l'Italia sia stato uno dei paesi che in questi anni abbia accolto più di tutti. Allora ora si pone un problema, che a casa nostra non c'è lavoro. Abbiamo accolto, non possiamo più accogliere, quindi ci dobbiamo occupare prima di tutto degli italiani. Poi se riusciamo ad accogliere, accogliamo. Io sono figlio di immigrati che sono venuti qua in un momento in cui l'economia era ad altissimi livelli e quindi potevano dare qualcosa agli altri. I miei genitori si sono potuti integrare in questa società, si sono potuti fare una famiglia, crearsi un'integrazione. Oggi non è più possibile. Quindi questo decreto sicurezza fa sì che noi evitiamo tutte quelle cose che possono creare danno alla società italiana. Io non so se voi andate in giro per strada o vivete in quartieri bellissime, ma molti italiani vanno in giro e si sentono minacciati continuamente da questi immigrati che sono per strada. Perché questo? Perché queste persone non hanno un lavoro.
I invite you people to go to and see this same website. You will see this boy in his own opinion about of regulating the immigrants here. If we are talking about immigrants, 90% are blacks. You see, they have now started using black against black. They have now started using your own family, your own member, your own brother, your own your sister against yourself, just to eat yourself. If you come to this extent, what did you expect? And you are telling them to love you. You are telling them you want to integrate into the land. And they are not bringing these two people. If they pay, or maybe they are looking for a way to enter into their community, the only way is to betray their own community, is to sell their own community out, to give to others to tear down. These are what they are doing now. This is what the political are doing now. I want to tell the black people here, you need to be strong. These are the things you're supposed to be doing, not all those things a lot of people are doing in web. A lot of people, you don't know. Your future lies in your hands. If you don't repair your future, your baby, your generation will suffer it. These are what they are creating. I told you the other time we will start seeing the man people in here. We already started seeing it. An Igbo guy I told you the other time, is about Igbo guy in my area. Another lady, again, who they locked into another room again. I don't know that one where he's from. I think they say an addition there. That one is mad already. These are not people who smoke. We don't know what happened to them. People can be mad in one thing or the other. People can become automatically ill. If you are sick, you cannot go to the hospital and take care of yourself because you are nobody. You don't have documents. Anything happened to you, they throw it out, they lock, they covered you. Nobody's find you. Nobody know what happened to you. This is exactly what they want. And they are not giving power to us to start eating each other. Eat each other. They have started using the Senegals, because the Senegals are the people that always fight against this thing they don't love. When things are not happening, when things are not going the way supposed to go out, they always fight for it. Those are the only continent that stand. Anytime you are talking a black man in television, they are from that side, or Ivoire or Senegal. No one from Nigeria. In Nigeria, in Italy, I don't know. I don't know if they are living or they are not living. I don't know. So those are what we are saying. But those are the people they are still using. They now start using themselves against to kill themselves, so that those one will not talk again. Then what is going to happen? Like I said, that everybody is running away. Where are we running to? Where are we running to? Me, I don't know. Those that is married or not married, where are we running to? Go to that website and see. And go to the permissive sojourner and see what is happening. Try to put your comments so they know that there are a lot of people who are interested in it. Because they know we don't talk, we don't do anything. When we are supposed to talk, we pray. And when we are supposed to pray, we scream, we shout, we make noise. We say nothing but nonsense. But when we are supposed to talk with a cold mind and make a reasonable background for our future, we don't do it. The youth in Europe here, they just started. Like that time, so we are still very young in Europe. But remember, we are not getting younger every day. We are getting older every day. This is changing. Here we know the law. If you are not work to extend, now they are giving you little money or whatever they are giving you, one of the other way, people are sustained. It's not forever. If we are not fighting for our independence, we are not fighting for our respect, we are not fighting to stop this hatred, or what these people are saying, they hate migrants. No, they hate blacks. That is the truth. They hate the black. You can never see a Romanian come out and fight against his own brother. You can never see a Chinese person come out and fight against his own brother. You can never see a Moroccano come out and fight against his own brother. When it happened to, when this man went to and knock at the door of a Moroccano or Tunisian, all the Tunisian, they stand with the guy, they all come out on web and start saying, I am one of him. You cannot come to my door. You don't have the right. They use up to their baby to give a message to them, to this, that their community is well tied. Where is the black community? Are we going to remain like some of us will say we don't stay here forever, we are going home? But remember, you are creating your life, your children are here. Your generation are here. The problem you don't solve now, you leave it for your children to solve it. Your children cannot solve it, you leave it for the others. Where are we creating confusions and problems for our not those who that have not yet born? Our baby. We should stand up and know what we are doing now. I'm not telling you that there is going to be a riot, nothing. You have to go to that website and start writing at that website. We cannot tolerate this. And let them stop. If you can make a video like this, it's better. The Tunisians, they all stand up and make a videos like this to him. Send it on web and say, we are one. We does not support this way. You can never be, have nobody come to your house and do anything to you. That here, we are living in a land of free. Democracy is done here. You have liberty of speech with respect. No, it's politics, we say it's very difficult. But you don't see anything that's going to offend anybody. You are only defending yourself. With love. Tell them we loved you. But please don't hate us to put us into the ground that we cannot wake up. We are human, remember. We are human. Let me read something for you. Because since yesterday I see this video, I cannot sleep. I started, okay, this morning I wrote a message to my continent. A message to my brothers and sisters. That we should dwell in it. Think over it. Reason with it. Sit down. Ask, where are we going to start? The only way to start is to help those people who is already battling them. Is to go to their website, sign into it. I am not the owner of the website. I just don't know anything about the website. Nothing is given to me. I don't have anything to get inside. But I wrote to make sure my voice is there. Sometimes they reply me. Sometimes no. I wrote with respect. So they reply me with respect. I don't insult anybody. I only laugh sometimes when I see something that is funny. It is time we start involving ourselves in our life, in our community. We are already here. Create the youth generation here. The Euro blacks. We are seeing America. We are seeing the Londons. We are seeing the Englands. But we are not seeing the European black. The only thing we see, the only way they define us is begging and prostitution in the streets. Or you see them fighting in the platform. And they use all ways that is not educative, it's not encouraging, it's not giving you, but I don't know. Let me read what I want to read for you because I love you all. I'm not doing this for myself because myself, I have my life. I don't have anything I'm lacking of. I'm only lacking of nothing. But I'm telling you, because seeing this thing, it hurts me. So I try to bring it out for our people to get awareness of this. That time will come. If they continue, a lot of mad people we are going to see in the street. It should not be strange to us. Let me give you one message. Africans, my lovely Africans. I see that Africa love their enemies and hate themselves. Africa love their enemies and fight themselves. Africa shelter their enemies and disown themselves. Africa help their enemies and never help themselves. Africa open doors to their enemies and lock down themselves. Africa empower their enemies and enslave themselves. Africa keep their enemies alive and kill themselves. Africa give to their enemy freely and go back and buy it from them again. Africa unite their enemy and disunite themselves. Africa enskill their enemies and remain ignorant. Africa give their blood to their enemy and emblooden themselves. Africa educate their enemy and diseducate themselves. Africa give and give again and again and again to their enemy and give not to themselves. Africa forgive their enemy again and again and revenge to themselves. Africa allow their enemy to use them, brainwash them, and never use that their brain for themselves. This is what I see in Africa of today, Europeans Africa. This thing is coming, it's like we are born in it. We are negative. We don't stand what is right. We don't do the right thing at the right time. As I said, when we are supposed to talk, we pray. It not concern me. It's not my problem. They are fooling themselves. No, we are fooling ourselves. So long they look at that one, as they look at that madman, when they see the next black man, they will look at if he's mad too. That is how they look at you. That is why you are not. They fight you to see that you people come back to the square level. That is what they are doing. Don't allow them to use you. These two people who comes out in television, in website, to stand against their own immigrants, that they don't want them to regulate their immigrant. Does that make sense? I don't know if it makes sense. I don't know how I don't know how I'm going to classify it. I'm afraid of you guys. If we don't do anything, we don't support who's fighting for us, those little people, few people who is standing to see they don't want this kind of thing, and we don't support them on making a like to their website or writing our own awareness, what is in our mind, how we see it. We don't give them knowledge. How are they going to start standing our back? How are they going to see that we are so many, that we are concerned, that if anything happens, we are ready? Can you touch the Chinese people and go free? Never. Africa, wake up. Try to go to school. Stop enslaving yourself. Stop bringing yourself to this level. This is my advice to Africa. This is why, look, what I just read, that is why our enemy continue to kill us, use us, enslave us, sell us, rob us, disunite us, disformate us, take your resource, diseducate you, hate you, fight you, disown you, allow ignorance to take you, and never want you to love yourself. To love yourself and to love your brother. Again and again, this thing is repeating. And we don't do nothing. We don't stop it. We are waiting for the Holy Ghost to stop it for us. We have much to say. Now that the sanatorium is blocked, They don't want to give it to you. They don't want this thing to come up. They are blocking for some time. I don't know. Tomorrow, I'm going to give you another video of information or the next step they have taken, if they are still going to regulate it. Because those people that is fighting for us, if we don't support them, that we are many here, that we are not exactly what they think over us. They should please have mercy on us and regulate those people. It's not all of those farms. It's not only those on the farm. It's not only those who just love their document for 6 months or a month ago. Giving document to people for once every month, you start renew it. Do you know how much you are going to pay every month? Give you 1 month, you renew it again. That is what they want to do. Or use a voucher for you. And black are supporting this thing. I come here to ask you, if it is you living in that dustbin, living in that situation, what will you do? If you say it doesn't concern me, it's not me, I'm not going to there, I'm not going to join those people, I'm not interested, I'm fighting my own life again. Remember, it can be your own brother. We bring our brothers and sisters to Europe to do what? Let's change. Let's fight for our future. Let's build a new America here. The only way is to lay our foundation. Then gradually we climb with them. Let's love each other first. Keep our mindset. Send a message to all your friends, sincerely guys, in all over the world of different continents, that this message these two people started is very wrong. It's wrong to me, it's wrong to them. Love yourself. The only way you people can fight to become a better creature tomorrow, you cannot be like everywhere we are useful. I love you. Ciao.